Hey, what's up Bitcoin holder? So there is a two scenarios to get a very huge profit from Bitcoin. Definitely this time Bitcoin was already crashing down, so 100% possibility to the price was pumps up, and absolutely from last 12 hour, my friend, you can see here the price of Bitcoin is definitely starting moving upwards slowly. Let's get start this brand video. Remember, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon guys for videos notification. First of all, if we look out my weather, so this is 100% true. You can see it after a jump every coin was pumps up, and you can see after this jump it was pumping up suddenly. Definitely my friend, for last 3 to 4 days, I think my weather, you can see here the Bitcoin price was totally crashing down. So that's why my friend, you can see here after a very bad jump, absolutely there is a chances the price of Bitcoin will be moving upward. For short time traders, if we look out just in only the last 4 hour chart, my friend, you can see, so they will take a few jump up, and you can see for example like that, and absolutely the price was completely increasing. So that's mean my brothers, so the direction if you look, so absolutely it was moving upward. So that's clear my brothers, so the price of Bitcoin will be moving upward, and they will give you a profit, but you will need to be hold now in those days, especially because at the end of this month 100% my brother, everybody knows this, to the last days of every month every coin was pumping up. So that's why my brother, there is 100% possibilities to Bitcoin was also moving upward and give you a very good profit. So I already update you my brother, and this time I also share my opinion my brother. So from last 1 hour, if it will crash down, this was temporary, ignore it. I know my friend, the price will be increasing now and give you a profit 0.66% in last 24 hour, but in last 12 hour my friend, the price was very fastly starting moving upward. Let's see to what's going on, but my advice for everyone to kindly hold down, and this time you will need to wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, but don't forget to subscribe and smash down the like button.